New Anitta single just dropped. It's called Me Gusta, and I'm going to teach you how to play it on guitar. So as always, if this video helps you, please hit the like button. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments section, and subscribe for more lessons from this artist. Enjoy! So this entire song is made up of 4 chords, the first of which is an F sharp minor chord. So you're going to bar the 9th fret from the A string with your pointer finger. You're going to place your ring finger on the 11th fret of the D string, your pinky finger on the 11th fret of the G string, and your middle finger on the 10th fret of the B string. And you're going to do a downstroke from the A string, and then 2 upstrokes from the B string. Next is a D major bar chord. So you're going to bar the 10th fret with your pointer finger. You're going to place your ring finger on the 12th fret of the A string, your pinky finger on the 12th fret of the D string, and your middle finger on the 11th fret of the G string. And you're going to do a downstroke from the E string, then 2 upstrokes from the G string. Next is a B minor chord. So you're going to bar the 7th fret with your pointer finger. You're going to place your ring finger on the 9th fret of the A string and your pinky finger on the 9th fret of the D string. And you're going to do the same picking pattern that we did on the D major chord. Then we're going to go back to the D major bar chord, except this time we're going to do 1 downstroke from the low E string, and then 1 upstroke from the G string. Then we're going to go to a C sharp major chord. So you're just going to move the D major chord down 1 fret, and you're going to do the same picking pattern again. And all put together, it sounds like this.